We get now to the DaCosta Cup final by saying a big up and congratulations to Clarendon College, who not just won the Battle of the CCs, but also won the big prize of the DaCosta Cup title, with, of course, your big players, Nikhil Daly and Lamar Walker, seizing the big moments to smash out the teeth of the previously unbeaten Cornwall College in a Cornwall College backyard. But the Mavericks' focus this evening is on that straight red card issued to the Clarendon College goalkeeper by referee O'Shane Nation, who is generally a good referee, but this decision was a bad decision as per the relevant laws of the game, which speaks to a deliberate act of handling the ball. So outside of the fact that this was a big final, and no referee should be so trigger happy as to make an extreme and potentially game-deciding call when it's marginal, especially in the running off of a goalkeeper. That aside, let us say Mr. Nation was sticking by the letter of the law. How is this a deliberate act? This is not about the ball touching the keeper's hand outside the box. It must be seen as a deliberate act of handling the ball. I mean, I say, if that right there was a deliberate handball, then the Maverick is a donkey. Yeah, man. If that was a deliberate handball, the Maverick is a donkey. Big up Clarendon College. You overcome and you win same way. But Shane, you let down the nation. That was not a deliberate handball. It was not deliberate.